In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect an Instagram account from ManyChat. If you're switching brands, troubleshooting a connection, or simply cleaning up your workspace. This walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click without any guesswork. Before we begin, a quick note. Make sure you have admin access to the ManyChat workspace that's currently linked to the Instagram account you want to remove. Also, be aware that once you disconnect, Instagram automations, DMs, and comments, automation tied to that account will stop running in ManyChat until you reconnect. Start by opening ManyChat and heading to the Home tab. This brings you to your workspace dashboard, which is the easiest starting point to reach all settings. From there, look to the left-hand navigation and click on Settings. This is where channel connections and permissions live, so everything we need is inside this area. Inside Settings, choose the Instagram section. This tab is dedicated to your Instagram connection and contains both your current status and the controls to manage it. Once you're on the Instagram settings page, scroll down until you see the option to remove the account from ManyChat. It can be a bit lower on the page, so don't worry if you don't spot it immediately. Just keep scrolling until you see the Remove option. When you're ready, click Remove. ManyChat will present a confirmation dialog to help prevent accidental disconnections. In that dialog, you'll see two small checkboxes. Click both to acknowledge the consequences of removing the account. These typically confirm that you understand automations and messaging for that Instagram profile will stop working in ManyChat. Next, you'll be asked to type the word remove to confirm. Enter it exactly as shown. This step is designed to ensure you truly intend to disconnect the account, so double check your spelling in case if the button doesn't activate. Finally, click confirm. ManyChat will process the request and disconnect the Instagram account from your workspace. After this, any Instagram flows, triggers, or comment automations will no longer run for that profile, and new DMs will not sync into ManyChat. Your existing flows remain in your workspace. They just won't execute for Instagram until you reconnect. If the confirmation button is grayed out, make sure both checkboxes are ticked and that you've typed remove exactly as prompted. If you're managing multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the correct one before removing. And if you ever need to reconnect later, come back to the Instagram settings and follow the connect flow. That's it. You've successfully disconnected your Instagram account from ManyChat.